Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a Torx screwdriver, T5, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. Make sure to work in a clutter-free environment to avoid losing any screws or components. 1. Power off the device. Ensure the Lenovo ThinkPad X1 is completely powered off. Disconnect it from any power source and remove any attached peripherals. 2. Remove the base cover. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the base cover. There are typically 8 screws to remove. Once removed, carefully use the plastic spudger to pry open the cover. Start from one edge and gently work your way around to avoid damaging the clips. 3. Disconnect the battery. Locate the battery connector on the motherboard. Using the spudger, gently lift the connector to disconnect the battery. This is crucial for safety to prevent any electrical shorts. 4. Remove the old battery. Unscrew the screws holding the battery in place using the Torx screwdriver. Once unscrewed, carefully lift the battery out of the compartment. Be mindful of any adhesive that may be present. 5. Install the new battery. Place the new battery into the compartment, ensuring it fits snugly. Secure it with the screws you previously removed. Remember, if you prefer not to handle this yourself, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, making it easier for you. 6. Repairing the charging circuit. If you suspect an issue with the charging circuit, inspect the components around the charging port for any visible damage. Use the multimeter to check for continuity. If you find any faulty components, you may need to replace them. For those unsure about this step, we provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you can avoid the hassle of traveling. 7. Clean the internal components. Before closing the laptop, use compressed air to clean any dust from the internal components. This helps ensure efficient cooling and performance. Make sure to avoid touching any circuitry directly with your fingers. 8. Reconnect the battery. After completing the necessary repairs, reconnect the battery to the motherboard. Ensure it clicks into place firmly. 9. Reattach the base cover. Align the base cover back onto the chassis and press down until it clicks into place. Secure it with the screws you removed earlier. 10. Power on the device. Finally, turn on your Lenovo ThinkPad X1 and check if the battery is charging correctly. If everything is functioning as expected, you've completed the repair successfully. If issues persist, remember we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront without any obligation. By following these steps, you can extend the life of your Lenovo ThinkPad X1 significantly. Proper maintenance and timely repairs are essential for optimal performance. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.